Last year, I did an exchange in France, and I saw this, the way they did. They banned phones from the age of, I think it was between 12 to 14, because that's when their middle school is, that's what their equivalent is. But as soon as they got home, it's like, you want what you can't have. And banning it's not going to make a difference, because then as soon as you do get your hands on it, it's almost like an addiction, because it's like you've missed out on so much. And you're hearing so much on the radio about it, and it's like you're getting more attracted to the idea of it. And I think it's just due to the lack of information for parents. It's almost like they're blaming the platform itself rather than the problem, which is how people use it. And if people had more, I think, information evenings, like Lauren and Myrne said, like held in the school but by students. Because when it's by students, you know that the problem is real, and it's not just a concerned teacher just trying to sound like it is a problem. It's coming from students who know and deal with it every day. We did a workshop yesterday for Safer Internet Day, and in it, it was all about sexting and internet safety, not talking to strangers online. But what we did was we showed them an information video on Webwise, and it was all about the consequences of sexting or sending a nude image. And afterwards we discussed the legalities with them. They were first and second years, and we took them in groups of 12. And there was not one of them who already knew these legalities. Like, it was all shock to them, and they're young people. And if the young people are shocked, you can only imagine what parents would be like.